Affiliate marketing can be a little bit like the wind. We know it exists. We understand to an extent what it does, but we don't really know how to harness it or be able to use it to its best capabilities. So today, I'm going to give you my beginner's guide to affiliate marketing in this video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I would highly encourage that you hit subscribe because you would be really sad if you missed all my content. And I would be really sad if I do it and you don't come back and I created content for nothing. And all of my content helps you create content of your own that converts to sales and grows your business. So I feel like that's something you probably want. So you should hit subscribe. Just saying. Now, it's funny because I batch process all of my content. And if you don't know what that means, I will link a video here about like how to batch and what I do and kind of a follow behind the scenes of me batching kind of video. But that means that I create all of my content for weeks and sometimes even months in one day, generally in like a couple hour time frame. And so with that, I do notice themes in my content, and sometimes I intentionally plan themes and sometimes I just pop up in there. This batching day, I have noticed a theme, and that is that I'm talking about affiliates and using affiliates a lot. So it's only appropriate that I actually give you like an affiliate marketing 101 guide here on this video. Now, this is not a completely extensive guide to affiliate marketing, and there's so much more to be learned, but it will help get you started if this is something you've been searching for and wanting to know more about. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, if you're like searching for it, but you don't really know what it is basically a way for you to get a commission for selling someone else's product, service, or program, software, anything like that. So if you are linking off to an Amazon shop, you should be getting an affiliate if someone purchases that thing. If you are, you bought a new pair of shoes at Old Navy and you want to link off to them, you should be getting an affiliate income for the person who buys that thing. It is essentially a commission, and the commission amount is dependent on every different affiliate program out there and the different things that you can send people to, but it can range really anywhere from like 3 to like 50%, honestly. So affiliates are a way for you to make commission sending people to buy something of someone else's. Okay, so there's a couple of ways that you can integrate affiliate marketing into your life and into your income streams. One is by blogging or linking in content in general. So when I say blogging, I'm going to lump Instagram post and YouTube and Facebook and all of that kind of in that one category. But blogging, creating content that then links off to that affiliate program is a really great way to do this. So I really love ConvertKit. So when I am going to create a video where I'm going to talk about email marketing, then I'm definitely going to be like, hey, if you want a free month of ConvertKit, my link is below, which by the way, that's a thing. If you want a free month of ConvertKit, my link is below. But I shouldn't pass up that opportunity. If I'm going to praise the features of this company and I'm going to tell my audience about it because I really do love it that much, then I should be getting an affiliate for that, an affiliate income, a service fee, a commission. So if I do a video and it's about email marketing and I mention ConvertKit and I say, hey, by the way, you could get a free month of ConvertKit by using the link below, and someone goes out there and they sign up for ConvertKit, I will receive a commission every single month from ConvertKit as long as they are a customer. And that is a really awesome way to make a little money here and there. So if you're putting out content, especially if it's content you were going to put out anyway, then putting in affiliate links to the things that you love is amazingly wonderful. So find the things you love, find out if they have an affiliate program. If it is a physical product, most of the time it's on Amazon, and Amazon has a rockin' affiliate program. So put in links to things that you love in the content you're already putting out by blogging, YouTubing, Instagramming, whatever. So the second way that you can start interjecting some income from affiliates is with social media. So I know I lumped Instagram in with the other category here, but it is standalone, but it also can be lumped with Facebook, with Snapchat, with Twitter, with whatever other social platforms you're using, LinkedIn. These are great ways where if you have built a following on those platforms that you can send off to buy something, then you can include your affiliate link and make a little cha-ching. Yeah. And then another way to incorporate affiliate income into your business and into your life in general is to be an affiliate for larger products and programs. A really good example of this is in this online space, in this entrepreneurial online world, there are a lot of people who create mega courses or mega programs, mega group programs, mega courses with interactive pieces that cost thousands of dollars. And what happens is they come out the other end with students who are amazingly successful and appreciative and loving of them. And so they have the perfect opportunity to say, hey, you love me. Will you promote me? And I'll give you an affiliate commission. And so you can do big launches every year based on promoting someone else's thing. Now, this is really only going to work if you're getting a pretty decent commission and or if it's a big priced product. So for instance, you will see every year, you will see people doing affiliate launches for Marie Forleo's B-School, for James Wedmore's Business by Design, for Todd Herman's 90-Day Year, for Denise Duffield Thomas's Money Bootcamp, for all of these programs that cost, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 because one, they love that person in their program, but two, it's a good opportunity for them to put all of their efforts into promoting someone else's product because at the end, they don't have to do any work to have sold it, and two, they're getting a pretty good chunk of change when they sell a bunch. So those are 3 ways that you can actually use affiliate income in your business and in your life once you've decided that this is something you want to start incorporating. Now, again, this is Affiliate Marketing 101. That's what we're dubbing this video. So I feel like I have to say that knowing what to do and having the idea is just one piece of the puzzle. Where you're really going to get the true magic of affiliate marketing is when you have an audience who cares about what you're promoting. If you are just getting started creating content on YouTube or social or blogging or whatever, then affiliates are not really going to do a lot for you. You can put out content, you can tell people that you like this program or that product or that service or whatever, but that doesn't really mean it's going to equate to dollars, especially with no to little audience. But if you will do your due diligence and set up these things, set up the blog posts that promote ConvertKit, or set up the blog posts that promote this person's program, or the pair of shoes, or that ring light, or that camera, set up the content that promotes those things. When you do get an audience, when you do focus on building that audience and getting more traffic to that thing, you will automatically see a spike in income. So just know that affiliate marketing is great. It is commission-based. It's selling someone else's product. There's a really, truly passive element to selling affiliates. However, you need to have an audience to be able to push to your affiliates. My audience lives here on YouTube and then follows me around wherever. So a lot of times people are like, where else can I find you? So I want to take this moment to tell you where else you can find me around the interwebs if you are wanting to join my community. So first and foremost, I'd love for you to hit subscribe here because this is where I'm putting out the most content and this is where I spend the most time is here on my YouTube channel with you guys. But second of all, I have a Facebook group called Biz Rockstars Inner Circle with me. So if you want to go find that, the link is below, or you can just go search for it in Facebook. There is tons of ways you can find me. My Instagram account, which is just my name, Jessica Stansberry. You can come over and read my blog. You can come to my Facebook page. All of those things are ways to hang out with me. And all of those ways are ways I've cultivated an audience to be able to then interject affiliate income where I can and where it makes sense and is authentic. Now, I'm not a big fan of putting out things that are not authentic. Like, I'm not gonna just create content just so I can make money from an affiliate link. That is insane to me and is totally against the mission behind my business. But if I love a camera and you guys are always asking me about a camera, I'm gonna share it. If I love a service like ConvertKit, I'm going to share it. If I love a pair of shoes and I think you'll care, I'm gonna share them. So definitely make it authentic and make it part of your brand that feels authentic so people don't feel like you're constantly selling a random thing to them. And for all of the links that I mentioned today, the description below has them all. If you are wondering what camera I use, because I get asked that all the time, it is linked below, as well as my microphone and all of the things that I use. And until next time, hit subscribe. Bye, y'all.